Once you've signed up for your Found Myself account, you're ready to upload your first piece of art. Here's how to do it. First, you'll need to log in and head to the upload page. You can click the Sell Art link in the menu, or click your profile image, then Upload Art. Click the cloud icon button to select and upload your file. You can upload images, audio, and video. You can also add supporting images. Many artists show close-ups or multiple angles of their work. This is especially helpful if you're selling, as it gives buyers more information and helps show your art isn't AI generated. To add more images, just click the cloud icon again. Drag whichever image you want as your featured image to the front of the group. That's the one that will appear in search results and in your gallery. Now it's time to add your art's title and other details. A good title and description helps collectors find your work, and search engines use these details to match your art with an engaged audience. Instead of a generic title, use specific details like subject, colors, and emotion. For example, expressive cobalt blue abstract oil painting. Having trouble coming up with a title or description? Just click the icon next to the form to get a suggestion in seconds. Be sure to personalize it from there for the best results. Next, you'll select the most appropriate category and style. Some categories, like paintings, require dimensions and a medium. Don't forget to add keywords. These help people find your art when searching the gallery. Add only relevant keywords specific to this piece, separated by commas. Pro and Pro Plus accounts get automatic keyword generation. To enter them yourself, just click the field to disable this. Art on Found Myself is organized into albums. You might have an abstract album for some work and a realism album for others, for example. If this is your first upload, click Create New Album and type a descriptive name using letters only. Avoid special characters. If you want to sell your art as a print-on-demand product through Found Myself, check the box. You can learn more about the program in our help section. If you haven't signed the contract yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Please be aware that print submissions allow only a single high-resolution image. No alternate images, music, or video. You can also sell art directly. Just add a price and let buyers know in the description what you're selling. For example, an original piece, a limited edition print, etc. On Found Myself, you keep 100% of direct sales. We don't take a commission. You'll handle payment and shipping yourself by communicating directly with the buyer, so you can use any payment processor and shipping method you choose. If you only want to sell prints through Found Myself, you don't need to add a price. We'll do it for you. And that's it. You're ready to publish your art to the gallery. If you have any questions, please reach out via our contact page. Thanks for being part of the Found Myself community.